My son really wanted to play Talking Tom Skyrun, but there's no way to install it officially through the App Store. This is the Apple App Store, and then this is the Google Play Store. So if you want to do it, the nice thing is on an Android is you just have to find the APK file and you can install it. But then in settings it'll say third party or unknown applications are not allowed. You just have to change that setting. So this is the nice thing about Android. It's a lot more easier to install apps, but the problem is you might be installing an app with spyware. It might just be a virus itself. The opposite is this Apple iPad. I would like to install it, and well, the only way I can think of, someone can correct me, there might be a way with a special software, is I would need to first jailbreak it, and then after I jailbreak it, I can use one of those installation files to install Talking Tom Skyrun onto this. I forgot what the name of the file is, but so this one would require me to jailbreak the iPad, which I'd rather not do. Versus this one, I just have to find the APK installation file and change the settings to run it. So that's one of the nice things about Android versus Apple. But you can still jailbreak.